Signing up for HomeHub Pro free trial is very easy. From our website, click the Try for Free button on the homepage. Select the type of account and function you desire. In this case, Adam is signing up for an agent account. Fill out the basic information and create a password. Select your company from the pull-down menu and click Sign Up. You will promptly receive an email to confirm your registration. Click on the link or copy and paste it into your browser. Your account is now confirmed. Log in with the email and password you created, and welcome aboard. At this point, you can select your subscription plan based on your business and select an annual payment for savings or pay month by month. Our most common is the annual Pro subscription. Enter your credit card information and CCV and any promo codes you may have. You are now ready to run all your business, transactions, and client engagement from your HomeHub Pro platform from any device.